Hi, today I'm going to make a curry from sweet corn. I have 2 cups of frozen sweet corn that I defrosted, and we'll use this and 1 red bell pepper to make this delicious curry. Let's start. We start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a hot pan, and when the oil is hot, I will add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the seeds bloom, which will take a few seconds. Then add 1 cup of chopped onions, white onions, red onions, it doesn't matter. 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute this mixture for a few minutes till onions turn translucent. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes depending on your heat setting. Half a cup of chopped tomatoes, or you can use tomato sauce, 1/4 cup tomato sauce. And we add our ground spices. We have a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of paprika or chili powder if you like it hot, and I also have half a teaspoon of coriander powder. We'll mix all these spices here, let them get fragrant. After this, I'm going to go ahead and add our corn. This is 2 cups of sweet corn. It's frozen. I defrosted it outside the fridge for some time. But if you use fresh corn, you will have to boil it for a few minutes before adding it to this recipe. And a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Salt is always to taste. Saute this mixture for a few minutes. This corn is already pretty soft, but we don't need to cook it for too long. Here I'm adding 1 sliced bell pepper. I sliced it thinly, and I'm not going to cook it for too long because I want bell pepper to have some crunch to it. And I'm adding red bell pepper because it adds a nice color. Top it with some crushed kasuri methi and mix everything, and that's it. So with red bell pepper and yellow corn, the whole dish looks pretty colorful, but I'm going to add some chopped coriander to add some more color to this and some more freshness. And here it is. This dish goes great as a side dish for your barbecue event or just as a part of your Indian meal. Full recipe on my website, yogchakra.com.